After making the night cycle, the next thing is to make the enemies attack at the night. So I made a new enemy that call it Deathbringer. At night it appears near our base, and then he spawns smaller enemies. At first a bug made the Deathbringer to moonwalk. Then I had a bunch of other bugs. For example, first enemies and Deathbringers couldn't attack multiple buildings next to each other, and now they attacking each building, and if player stayed behind the building, after destroying the building they go attack the player.